Hey guys, Uncle Pack here. Trying out YouTube. I got to learn to look at the camera and look at you. But anyhow, it is Monday, July the 17th, around close to about 1:55. And right now the queues are inside. Um, you know, I think I tweeted this. I don't know if I did or did not. Um, the queues have been outside the Upper Bollinger Band for 3 days, and did you catch that? And and right now we're slowing. I mean, like there's no signs of slowing down. I would not fight the tape here. I'm looking at the things I was looking at today. Excuse me for looking away because what I'm looking at is over here. You can actually see my scroller. Tells me the highs and lows scrolling by. One of the things I watch, I can look at kind of tell you what the market's doing. Not even looking at like say the Q's up. If I can watch that ticker, and I pick up trades like that. But like when I have trades on the ticker here, it's kind of impossible for me to relay that down. It's because I can ultra scalp some things. Anyhow, coins been all over the map today. Q's are really, and I was wrong. I told you on Friday I took some puts home over the weekend. I closed them right at the open, which I think I may have lost a dime on the options. Nothing big. I wasn't big in it anyhow. I just was thinking, maybe over the weekend we're coming into OPEX. We're going to have right now. I said we're going to have an inside week. We got an inside day, which definitely makes for inside week. So I'm amazed at the strength of this market. I'm not going to say the market's rigged or this, that, and the other. See my thumb? Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, that's from old age. Actually, they had to surgically remove my thumb from my ass, and they put this on there. All right, but anyhow, Carvana. I posted a chart of Carvana. I think it's had 3 days where it's been consolidating, and I'm going to figure out how I can share my charts on YouTube. I can do that on Discord, but that's another story. I'm recording this privately, so you guys actually are not going to be watching this live. I'm going to share it with you afterwards when I get done, in case I don't like it at all. So anyhow, right now markets. There's only one direction up, right? So we're going up. Qs are at 382, and I was watching Carvana. I actually have a Carvana Strangle here, which is maybe bad, maybe good. I don't know. Carvana. It's in a little range here, and whatever side it breaks out on, Carvana could do a Carvana type move. But anyhow, I'm watching AI. I think I posted a chart of that. I've actually got a few calls on AI. It's breaking above, I put that it's got to close above that level that I tweeted out earlier to continue to the upside. Let's see. The ABOS, the little stock that's up $3, almost $4 at $10.18 right this second. Alzheimer's drugs kind of been hot lately. I believe Biogen had their Alzheimer's drug approved, which Alzheimer's is a terrible disease. And so anyhow, it's up 4. I'm watching it. I've actually had some calls on this. This was a recommendation from a buddy of mine to send another Discord group. And if you happen to be watching this, hey, good call. I didn't tell you guys about it because, it's a biotech and it can go either way. The thing could be cut in half or whatever. And I just like to show y'all charts that are good. Beyond, I was in Beyond. I sold out of it Friday morning, or Friday, whenever it turned. If it can get, it needs. I think Beyond's putting in an inside day today. It needs to base. I mean, the stock's gone from 10 to 18 in the last month or so. So it's at that's 80%. My math's right. So we've had an 80% move in Beyond. I'm looking. I have not forgotten Beyond because I'm going to be watching it, see if it can break above. If it can get above that, I forget where the exact line is. I posted a chart. I know there's a Beyond chart somewhere in the last couple of days that I gave you guys. I would look for. Beyond could get up in the mid 20s. Like it's got a lot of room to move. There's a lot of these stocks that have been basing for since October, or even going back a year to last summer. So there's a lot of stocks that are coming out of bases, stocks that we used to 2 years ago we were all trading, like Roku. What was another one I was looking at? I was looking at Roku, Zoom, some of the COVID stocks. They were $400 and $500, and I think like they're both like 60, like in the 70s, I think. I was actually looking at excuse me, I'll turn my back. Because I was looking at Roku. Roku's up 2 today. I'm not long Roku. I'm just not noticing Roku. Whatever system you're using, plug Roku in, Zoom in, see what you think about those. Carvana, Carvana could go either way here. That's why I have it strangled. I kind of favor the downside here, but if it breaks through the last 3 or 4 days, if you go look at all the wicks, I want you to look at the top wicks of the last 4 or 5 days on Carvana. If we get above that, you also have a trend line right through there. And I know there's a Carvana chart out there for you. So take, Carvana, I'm going to trade the break. I've strangled it just where I don't have to watch it because, if it moves, say 5 or 10 points either way, I'm going to be happy. This is OPEX week, and they like to grind stuff sideways. So who knows? I may lose on both sides of this, or I could win on both sides of this. But anyhow, not not a lot of conviction behind this. I'm just telling you some ideas. Everything's kind of just grinding sideways. The market's Upstart's up 6, Shop's up 77 cents. Some of these stocks have reversed and gone down. But when you got the generals like Apple and those guys rallying, it's hard to bring the market down. So we'll just keep an eye out on this stuff here. Let's see. But anyhow, I'm just trying to learn how to do this, the YouTube. That way you can see me. But no, I'm artificial intelligence, Carvana, Beyond, some of these beaten down names I've looked at. I'm trying to see if there's anything else here I've looked at today. Kind of, excuse me, Goldman's down a point. I did not trade it, even though I posted it. I was going to trade it, and I was like, the market's just. But right now, the bull train keeps moving right along, and we're not going to get in front of it. If the market's looking out 6 to 9 months, maybe the scenario that I threw out at everybody about a pivot in the fall, that may be what we're doing here. I don't know. I just don't argue with it. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about being on the right side of a trade. And if you're a scalper, there's a lot of stuff moving around. So anyhow, guys, this is just a little short, me trying to do YouTube update for you subscribers. And anyhow, comment, tell me what you guys like. You're welcome. I've told you before, if you got stocks you want me to give you my opinion on, I'll be more than happy to do that. Because I am trying to turn this into a tool for you. You know, whether it be, hey, I want to run this stock. I mean, because there's some, I know some of you guys are good traders. All of you are good traders. You just hadn't, some of you hadn't stepped into your whatever, into your zone yet, which is up here. So, but anyhow, guys, it's Monday afternoon, about 2:05. Just kind of give you an update and me learn at the same time. I'm trying to get, and if somebody out there knows, if one of you subscribers knows how I can share my screen with my charts, I'd be more than happy to learn from you. You know, I can do it on Discord, but Discord, it's like everything else, and maybe even YouTube. I mean, like the social media is just a cesspool of scumbags. Is the right word, I guess. Scumbags, thieves, crooks, assholes. There's a lots of, is that an adjective for my English teachers? I know I probably drive you English. I reckon I drive you English teachers crazy. But anyhow, all right, guys, that's all I got for right now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, because I'm going to try and do these live updates, and I'm going to figure out how to show you my charts here. I know some of you are in the Discord room, but some of those people are not subscribers. They're just people, buddies, or whatever, and there's not a lot of activity in there. And but anyhow, everybody have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later on this afternoon, maybe even try this again tonight. But subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you will automatically get alerts when I go live. But I'm going to post a link to this where you can watch this, or at least I'm going to attempt to. So if you do watch this, it means I was successful at posting the link. All right, hey, so now you know. And if you don't, well, then I didn't do it right. So, all right, everybody have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.